Hello students, welcome to my class. Students, today we will discuss about the social and political life. So in your textbook there will be a first lesson called on equality. On equality. So this will be the first lesson. So what do you mean by equality, students? What do you mean by equality? So as its name indicate, equality means equal, uniformity. We can see the uniformity. So everyone are same, similar. See, state of being equal, to get the rights, all those things. So in your textbook, students, so there will be a comic. There will be two women, so they will discuss, so called Kanta and Sujata. Just read once, you will come to know. On election day, especially on election day, so they are eligible to vote. So on the basis of their rights, the both of them will be on discussion. So on election day, so this discussion on the right to vote, So it is their fundamental rights. So rights means, once again, here the rights for Kanta and Sujata, so two women. So in our democratic country, so even the women also get to right to vote. Means we are giving, see, our constitution is giving chance for everyone. So there will be no discrimination. So there will be no inequality. So like men and women, so all are equal. So this is the example. So you will come to know. So after reading this comic. Okay, students. After the right to vote, so we have other kinds of equality. So being an Indian citizens, so we have other kind of equality. So that is right to freedom of religion, so right to education, right to speech, so right to liberty, all those things, and right to vote. So these rights will be applicable immediately after our birth. So there is no age restrictions for us. So but to right to vote, so there will be a particular age is reserved, that is 18 years. So 18 and above 18 years. So it is called the universal adult franchise. So what we have discussed in 6th standard. So universal adult franchise means, so universal means all over the world, not only in India, all over the world. 18 years is reserved for universal adult franchise. So before 18 years, he or she is considered as minor. He or she is not going to become a major. So after 18 years only, he or she will become a major. So they are right to vote. So it is called universal adult franchise. So after reaching some certain age, means 18 years, they are eligible to get their rights in our society. So before that it is not possible. For example, for driving license, riding a car or bike or vote, for any to get any such type of rights. So before that it will become a wrong in our society. So this is about the universal adult franchise, and these are the other kind of rights which is reserved for each and every individuals in our democratic country. So this is example for equality, on equality. Okay, students, in our society we have facing the people, many of them are facing inequalities. See, we are in 21st century, but also some of them are facing some discriminations, means racism, Janangiya Nindane in Kannada, what we used to call, and caste system. All these things we are facing in our society. Such examples are inequality. Inequality means we can't able to see any uniformity. So discriminations. For examples, Om Prakash Valmiki, he was a Dalit writer. He wrote a book called Jutan. So which is it is given in your textbook. Just read once. Read once, you will come to know. And Gandhiji, even Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhiji, he was also faced the problem of inequality. When he was in South Africa, he went for studies in South Africa. He was pushed out from train. He was pushed out from train in railway station in South Africa. A ticket collector, a white man, he pushed out Mahatma Gandhiji. He pushed Mahatma Gandhiji. So he came out. Mahatma Gandhiji, after the pushing, he fell down from the train. So it was stopped. Train was stopped. So even Gandhiji was also discriminated. He saw in the problem of inequality. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution, he was also faced inequality when he was in school and when he was in college in India. Okay, he allowed to sit. He was separately, not in the classroom. So he was just outside the classroom or somewhere in the corner in the classroom. He used to sit. He was not allowed to sit with other students. So these are all examples for inequality. So it happened, and sometimes it is happening at present also. And these are the example of for inequality. So apart from this, Rose Parks. So she was a lady, Afro-American. She was a lady from Afro-American, US, from America. So once she was traveling in bus, she refused to give her seat. She refused to give her seat in bus to white men because she want to sit. There is no rules and regulations to give their seats while traveling. So after that incident, so there will be a civil right movements held in America. So in 1964 against discrimination. So what is the meaning of civil right movements? Okay, students. Just hold on, students. Okay, students. What do you mean by civil rights movements? What is the meaning of civil rights movements? So civil rights movements held in America in 1964. See, the many people in America are colored, means they looks little different, not in white, not white men. So they looks Africans because in 18th century many of them are migrated, means there was a slave trade. So by force they took to American land for work. So after that they got independent to live like other people, but there was no rights for the Afro-Americans. There was no rights for Afro-Americans, like there was no rights for education, there was no right to vote, there was no rights to freedom, there was no freedom, there was restrictions. But in 1964 they exploited against the government, to get their right, So this incident is known as the civil rights movement. We used to call civil rights movement. So this civil rights movement happened. So after the Rose Parks incident, once she refused to give her seat. So this is about on equality. So what is the meaning of equality? So equality means everyone are similar, everyone are equal. So there is no restrictions whether she is a boy, she is a girl, she is a man, she is a woman, he is like that. Okay, I think this information is enough. Just read the lesson, you will come to know. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please contact us. Thank you.